Hi, this is Guy, and this is Little Shelf Guy. I have a question for Guy that a lot of people ask. The holidays are coming up, and I want to buy some of those electronic bug repellers to give as gifts to my friends and family. So, my question is, do those things really work? Or will I be just giving people some useless junk that they will never use? Great question, Little Shelf Guy. Here's the thing though. Instead of just telling you my opinion, I'm going to show you with a bit of a demonstration. I purchased 4 of these Bell & Howell pest repellers, and I went to the pet store and got some crickets to test them on. I would have used ants or roaches or something like that, but being a pest controller, I don't have any. But the anatomy of a cricket is very similar to most insects, so the repeller should work on them. Now, interestingly enough, there is a disclaimer on the package that warns you that these things may not reach nesting areas behind walls, under floors, or within cracks. Where exactly do they think the bugs are going to be anyway? Also, they make it clear that rodents may become accustomed to the signals, so they may return. Okay, this does not sound promising. Nevertheless, perhaps you have some bugs just running around your house in the open. Hey, don't laugh. I know people who live with cockroaches running all over the place. So, let's see if these things really work at all. To do the test, I put the crickets in a plastic jar to see how they behave normally. And then I put them right next to the pest repeller to see if it made any difference whatsoever in their behavior. I covered the opening with a paper towel to allow as much of the signal into the jar as possible. So, hypothetically, if the thing works, then the behavior of the crickets should change because they are feeling agitated in some way. So, let's have a look at the results. Here you can see how the crickets behave normally without the pest repeller. Now, let's plug in the pest repeller and see how the crickets react to it. As you can see, the pest repeller makes absolutely no difference in the behavior of the crickets. In fact, it looks like a couple of them are trying to get to the pest repeller. They certainly are not bothered by it. Therefore, I would regard this as a fail. So, to answer your question, Little Shelf Guy, don't waste your money buying one of these pest repellers. The one that I tested is the Bell & Howell Pest Repeller Aid, but I think it's safe to say that any of the ones that you can purchase are going to be just as worthless as this one. Thank you so much, Guy. I guess I will need to figure out another sort of gift to buy for my friends and family. How do you think they would like a homemade fruitcake? You're very welcome, Little Shelf Guy. But I think if you're going to do that, then just maybe, you may be the homemade fruitcake. Well, that's it for us today, folks. Be well, my friends, and thank you so much for watching.